Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming mice and taking a close look at the Makalu Max from Mountain. Now, Mountain is primarily known for its impressive keyboards. But let's see if their new modular mouse can hold up to the competition. The Makalu Max is a wireless right-handed gaming mouse with a unique selling point: it's modular. Priced at $89, this mouse comes with interchangeable side plates that allow you to customize its physical shape to suit your needs. With 4 separate side plates and a gravity control system for weight adjustment, Mountain aims to provide versatility. The Makalu Max features low-latency 2.4-GHz wireless connectivity with up to 80 hours of battery life. It sports a PixArt PA 3370 sensor and offers 8 customizable buttons. While the design changes are interesting and the performance is solid, the mouse's hefty build prevents it from being the top choice for most gamers. In terms of physical customizability, the Makalu Max delivers. It comes with 2 interchangeable side grips, 3 weight rings, a 2.4 GHz wireless USB-A dongle, and a USB-C to USB-A cable. The side grips attach magnetically, allowing for 4 different configurations. The Makalu Max is a large mouse, even in its most basic form. It offers a solid grip, measuring 4.96 inches long by 2.78 inches wide. With the addition of the ergonomic side grips, it becomes quite chunky. Reminiscent of the Redragon Vampire Elite M686. This mouse features 8 programmable buttons, including a clickable scroll wheel, DPI switch buttons, and thumb buttons. The scroll wheel has a unique clicking mechanism, and the thumb buttons add a touch of visual interest to an otherwise plain design. The Makalu Max utilizes a PixArt PA 3370 sensor, offering a maximum sensitivity of 19,000 dpi. It also features Kale GM 8.0 switches with a durability rating of up to 80 million actuation. While the mouse performs well, it's not designed specifically for FPS games. RGB enthusiasts will appreciate the bright RGB light strip surrounding the mouse's scroll wheel. With 8 customizable zones, you can create stunning lighting effects using Mountain's peripheral software, Basecamp. The software also allows for button remapping and basic customization options. The Makalu Max offers both 2.4-GHz wireless connectivity and a wired option via USB-C. It comes with a wireless USB-A dongle and a flexible USB-C to USB-A cable. The battery life is rated at 80 hours, but keep in mind that the rating assumes the lighting is turned off. Wrapping it up, the Mountain Makalu Max is a solid gaming mouse with its unique modular design and attractive RGB lighting. However, it doesn't quite stand out from cheaper alternatives available on the market. While the customization options are intriguing, the side plates feel cheap, and the mouse's overall ergonomics could be improved. If you're seeking a more balanced option, consider alternatives like the MSI Clutch GM51 lightweight wireless. It offers better battery life and comes with a docking station. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest reviews. Until next time.